I will definitely recommend this product. It's been very long. It's been almost 4 years I'm selling this glass. The reason behind selling is the quality. It's little above than the market price. It's okay, but the quality is way much better. And the glass quality, if you see this range, there is a white glass used in this one. Other brands use green glass. Which is very very soft glass, not cleared one. So it's shining, it's curved, everything is very good. I will definitely recommend to go with this glass.
Okay.
Its glue is very good.
Okay. Can you test the tempering for us? You can like this.
Yeah, sure. I'll show you this one.
Yes.
This quality.
Yes. You can break and test the tempering.
You check. You see?
So it's very good quality.
Very good.
Right?
Yeah?
Yes.
Definitely I'm gonna recommend. You see the tapering?
The crack is very smooth, right?
It's from top to bottom.
Yes.
You won't see the other brands is if like this, just cracks from here only. That's it. They don't break from top to bottom.
Yes. Okay. And next product.
Next then I will recommend for Indians is the next is good selling is 0.18 and privacy 0.18. It's very thin glass, and obviously it's fingerprint working, so definitely finger works in this with the accurate one. Not it's just like sometimes opening. No, it's just click and it's open. It's very good. And the third one I would recommend is privacy. This one. That's a very good. Not like other brands. Other brands have little cheap quality. It's just actual privacy with a this it's 28 actually 28 degree. If you just see, I'll just see like this, it's won't visible. See?
Yes. You can turn the left and the right. Show it. Yes.
This is something very good.
And how do you think about the full size privacy?
Full size privacy is also very good. It's been a few months only I'm using it, so I'm getting a good response. Still I need order and plan some more orders for this, so get more good response just to cover the market and check what people wants exactly. Right? This is full 360, like top, bottom, right and left. So we are getting good response. Still need to check how much good response we'll get it.